Hello guys, it's Jen from SS Designs Couture today, and I wanted to come on and share a quick project, but more so to introduce everyone who is new to Chalk Couture. I wanted to introduce them to our pastes and our transfers. So as you can see on the video, I took a large transfer and I'm going to go ahead and cut it down to our individual size. The larger sheets each contain individual transfers, and you can go ahead and cut on those pre-established line once you receive a larger transfer. Not all of our transfers do that, however most of them do. It's nice that they all come in one set, but that you can use them on individual projects either together or separate. So our transfers are pretty revolutionary. What they are is, a lot of people think they're just vinyl. They're not. They're actual reusable silk screen designs. So that is a silk screen on there. That's how you can get such perfect projects time and time again. That also allows us to get about 10 or so uses if properly cared for. So they are all completely reusable. And the way that you care for them is just simply wash them down with distilled water after you use. As you can see on the video, I grabbed some paste. Paste is one of our primary products, and it is different than a chalk paint that you would buy at the store because our paste is actually a chalk, which again allows for it to be completely washable and reusable. Chalk paint that you would buy at the store has additional ingredients in it, and we do not recommend that you use any other paint or paste besides ours on these transfers because they could clog. Chalk Couture also has an ink that we offer, and the ink allows you to work with more permanent color after it is heat set. So those are a couple of different items that we offer that are our top items. Again, I use paste because this is reusable, it's nice and simple, and paste is usually the number one thing that you're going to see everyone use. Thanks for stopping by today. I hope you guys learned something and enjoyed. Have a good one.